This is every Romanian aircraft currently active across military, NATO, emergency, and commercial aviation. Fighters, helicopters, transports, trainers, surveillance aircraft, medical fleets, even strategic NATO assets. Some Cold War survivors, some newly modernized, some still forming the backbone of Romanian aviation. First up, fighters and jet trainers. F-16 AMBM Fighting Falcon. These multi-role fighters became the core of the modern Romanian Air Force after deliveries from Portugal, Norway, and the Netherlands. Entering service in 2016, the aircraft carry AMRAAM and Sidewinder missiles alongside guided bombs. Their Mach 2 performance and NATO interoperability transformed Romania's frontline combat capability and air policing operations. Next, the IAR-99 Standard. This Romanian-built advanced jet trainer entered service during the late Cold War and was developed for pilot training and light attack missions. Powered by a single turbojet engine, it carries unguided bombs, rockets, and cannon pods. The aircraft continues supporting tactical training and domestic aviation manufacturing experience. And now the IAR-99 SOIM. This upgraded variant introduced modern avionics and improved compatibility with Western training systems. It was designed to prepare Romanian pilots for advanced NATO aircraft, including the F-16 Fighting Falcon. The aircraft retained light attack capability while modernizing cockpit systems, navigation equipment, and operational training standards for Romania's evolving air force. Up next, the Yak-52W. These piston-engine trainer aircraft were license-built in Romania by Aerostar Bacău for primary pilot instruction. Their radial engines and forgiving flight characteristics made them suitable for basic aerobatic and flight training duties. Since the 1980s, they have remained part of Romania's foundational military aviation training structure. Continuing with military helicopters. IAR-330 Puma. This utility and transport helicopter became one of the longest-serving rotary-wing aircraft in Romanian service after entering operations in 1975. Built under license from Aerospațial, it supports troop transport, medical evacuation, and logistical missions. Powered by twin turbojet engines, the helicopter can carry up to 20 fully equipped soldiers across operational areas. Next, the IAR-330 SOCAT. This heavily modernized Romanian gunship variant was developed with assistance from Elbit systems for anti-tank and battlefield support missions. Entering service in the early 2000s, it carries Spikear missiles, rocket pods, and a chin-mounted autocannon turret. The helicopter combined older Puma airframes with advanced targeting and combat systems. Now this is the IAR-316B Alouette 3. Produced in Romania under French license, this lightweight helicopter entered service during the early 1970s for training and utility missions. Its compact size and reliable handling made it useful for pilot instruction and liaison operations. The aircraft remained active for decades as one of Romania's basic rotary-wing training platforms. And now the Sikorsky S-70i Black Hawk. Manufactured in Poland by PZL Milec, these helicopters support Romanian firefighting, rescue, transport, and emergency response operations. Powered by twin General Electric engines, they can be configured with medical systems or large firefighting buckets. The aircraft expanded Romania's modern disaster response and search and rescue aviation capabilities. Next up, transport aircraft. Lockheed C-130BH Hercules. These American heavy transport aircraft entered Romanian service during the 1990s and became the backbone of strategic airlift operations. Powered by 4 turboprop engines, they can transport troops, cargo, or medical equipment across long distances. The Hercules fleet supports NATO exercises, humanitarian missions, and Romanian military deployment requirements. Next, the Alenia C-27J Spartan. This tactical medium transport aircraft entered service in 2010 to strengthen Romania's regional airlift capability. Equipped with Rolls-Royce turboprop engines, it can operate from short or rough runways while carrying troops or cargo. The Spartan became essential for tactical logistics, rapid deployment, and medical evacuation missions inside NATO operations. And now the Antonov An-30 Clank. Originally developed in the Soviet Union for aerial mapping and reconnaissance duties, this aircraft entered Romanian service during the 1970s. Its distinctive glass nose section supports observation and surveillance missions under international open skies agreements. Twin turboprop engines and an auxiliary turbojet provided additional operational flexibility during specialized reconnaissance flights. Up next, the Antonov An-26 Kuril. This light tactical transport aircraft served Romania since the Cold War era for cargo and personnel movement. Powered by twin turboprop engines, it operated in logistical support and regional transport missions for decades. Although only a small number remain active, the aircraft still represents Romania's long-standing Soviet-era transport aviation heritage. Now this is the Boeing C-17 Globemaster III. Operated through NATO's Strategic Airlift Capability Program, these aircraft provide Romania with access to intercontinental heavy transport operations from a shared fleet based in Hungary. The aircraft can carry armored vehicles, helicopters, troops, and humanitarian cargo across global distances while supporting alliance deployment and rapid response missions. Next, the Northrop Grumman RQ-4 Global Hawk. Romania contributes to NATO's Alliance Ground Surveillance Program, which operates these high-altitude reconnaissance drones from Italy. The unmanned aircraft conduct long-range intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions using advanced radar and sensor systems. Their endurance allows continuous monitoring of large operational regions during alliance security and reconnaissance operations. Next up, emergency medical and public service aircraft. Airbus H-135. These twin-engine helicopters operate with Romanian emergency medical and police services for rapid response and intensive care evacuation missions. Equipped with advanced medical interiors and rescue equipment, they support urban and regional emergency operations. Their compact size, high reliability, and fast cruise speeds made them central to Romanian HEMS operations. Next, the Sikorsky S-70I Black Hawk. Beyond military use, these helicopters were adapted for firefighting, disaster response, and rescue operations across Romania. Large external water buckets allow them to combat major forest fires, while onboard rescue systems support evacuation and emergency transport missions. The aircraft significantly strengthened Romania's heavy aerial firefighting capability in recent years. And now the Cessna 560 Citation 5. This light business jet supports specialized long-distance medical evacuation and emergency transportation missions for Romanian emergency services. Its speed and range allow rapid patient transfer across Europe for urgent treatment or organ transport operations. The aircraft became an important fixed-wing component within Romania's emergency aviation infrastructure. Up next, the Piper PA-42 Cheyenne. This twin-engine turboprop aircraft supports medical evacuation and logistical transport operations, requiring shorter runway access and regional flexibility. Its operational efficiency made it suitable for domestic patient transport and emergency support duties. Together with the Citation 5, it expanded Romania's specialized fixed-wing emergency medical aviation network. Continuing with commercial airliners. Airbus A319, A320, and A321neo. These narrow-body airliners form a major part of Romanian commercial aviation under operators including TAROM and High Sky Europe. Designed for short and medium-haul passenger routes, they support regional European connectivity with improved fuel efficiency and modern avionics. The newer A321neo expanded capacity and operational range for growing commercial demand. Next, the Airbus A330-200. This wide-body long-haul airliner supports intercontinental passenger operations including transatlantic routes from Romania. Equipped with twin high-thrust turbofan engines, the aircraft carries large passenger loads over extended distances while offering modern cabin configurations. Its introduction marked Romania's expansion into broader long-range international commercial aviation operations. And now the Boeing 737-700. These aircraft became core short and medium-range passenger airliners within Romanian airline fleets due to their operational flexibility and high passenger capacity. Used extensively across European routes, the aircraft support both scheduled and charter operations. Their reliability and efficiency kept them among the most active commercial aircraft registered in Romania. Up next, the ATR 72-500. These regional twin turboprop airliners specialize in shorter domestic and regional connections, where smaller airports and lower passenger demand require efficient operations. Their fuel-efficient engines and regional performance capabilities made them suitable for linking Romanian cities with neighboring European destinations while maintaining lower operational costs.